So here's how you can publish a video on YouTube using your iPad. So let's get started. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one. So of course, you need to have the YouTube app or the YouTube Studio app, but it works well actually through the official YouTube app where you also watch the content as long as you are signed in. What you can do is to tap on the plus button and at the bottom, click on upload a video as such, and it's going to get to your gallery. So make sure you have your video ready in your Photos app. It would be best if it's the latest video in the gallery because it's then going to show up at the top. If it's a video which was made a year ago, you're going to have to scroll through the page quite a lot. But essentially, once you find it, you can tap on it, then perhaps perform some quick changes like trim the video quickly before you upload it. But if it's okay, click on the next, and then you see that we can set up the different things like the title and all of the other things like the description, location, playlist, and all of that. But the most important part in here is, I would say, the visibility. So you have to decide what's going to happen once you upload the video. You can make it private, meaning that it is on YouTube, but only you can see it. You will then be able to work with it later. Or unlisted, which is interesting because it's technically public, but it's not like everyone can find it, and only people with the link which you share with them will be able to view that video. So it's like something in between where people can watch it on YouTube, but only if they have the link. And then, of course, we have the public, which means that everybody will be able to find your video, if they are simply browsing YouTube or they look up your name specifically, right? And that's how you can publish a video. So you do that, you confirm it, and then upload, and that's how it's going to be on the YouTube platform. That's how you can do it through the iPad. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos and tutorials like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.